We don't stop exercising because we grow old because we stop exercising. That was Kenneth Cooper who coined the term aerobics back in the 70s. So we are doing some great exercises to be pain-free for your knees and hips. So hang with Jim and I. Jim, my client, 80 years young, ready to give you a great workout. Right, Jim?
Right.
Awesome. So check with your doctor before starting any exercise program. Grab your shoes, grab a mat, put a big smile on your face. All right, Coach Kim here with her client Jim. Jim's 80 years young and he's ready to work. So Jim has some a little bit of hip pain. He does walk 4 to 5 miles a day, which is fabulous. Not too many people do that, Jim. So I'm really, really proud of you. Keep up the good work. And he does that 7 days a week. So don't be into say, oh, I need to start doing 4 to 5 miles a day. Start small. Start with just 10 minutes a day and work up to doing at least 30 minutes a day. That'd be really, really great. So we are going to be adding the strength training routine, and this is something that Jim said he doesn't really do a lot of, is the balance and the strength training, but he's ready to work and has been working with me for a few weeks now. So we're going to start with, we're going to have 5 exercises. We're specifically going to target people with knee and hip issues. This will be good for you, okay? So no weights needed, just your body weight. Get comfortable. Notice how he's got one leg bent, one leg straight out. His hands are by his side. Make sure that you have a pillow or something under your neck so he's not doing this. Just keep everything in a nice alignment. He's going to flex his foot, which means bring your toe back towards you. His leg is straight, this extended leg. He's going to lift that leg up to the height of the other leg and then lower it 2 inches off the ground 10 times. And I'm going to let Jim count that, 2. And what's great is this is going to strengthen all the muscles around the knee. You're going to feel this in the hip. Lots of good stuff right here. Perfect. And after each exercise, 10 reps each, we're going to do a little stretch. So you just hang with Jim and Kim. We're going to make those hips and knees feel better. Be consistent and try to do this at least 3 times a week. How many are we on, Jim?
10.
Perfect. Now we're going to switch legs. So he's going to bend that knee, put the other leg out, flex the foot towards you. Now flexing that foot activates the quadricep. Here we go. Lift up that leg and lower it 2 inches off the ground. Perfect. Very nice. Consistency is key with any exercise and anything we do. Okay, you're not going to be pain-free overnight, but you will feel better every day a little bit, but you got to be consistent, and you're not just watching this video, you're doing it with us, right? Of course you are. All right, how many are we on? Excellent. Oh, good. One more.
10.
Good. Now bend those knees, and what I'm going to have you do after each one is you're going to take one knee to chest, so bring this leg up. He's going to put both hands on top of his knee the best you can. He's going to rotate his ankle 3 times in each direction, so big circles. 1, 2, 3, and then rotate. Nice. Motion is lotion, right, Jim?
Yep.
Okay. And then switch sides. So hug this knee to chest. Big circles. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and then reverse it. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that one more time on each leg, okay? And this is great for the hip and the back. So grab this leg to chest. There you go. Hug the knee. Rotate. Big circles. 1, big circles. 2, 3, and reverse. Doesn't this feel good? I know you're liking this. 2 and 3. Good. Let's switch sides. So we're strengthening and stretching, and we're targeting all kinds of good stuff. And this ankle rotation is great for blood flow. It's great for the ankles. It's great for everything. The whole body is connected. It's actually very fascinating. We have 600 muscles in the body. And I think it's such a great machine. But we're meant to move it. All right, next one we're going to do, hands by your side. You're going to push with the heels. We're doing what's called a glute bridge. So I want you to count 10 reps for me, Jim. Lift your booty up in the air, hold for 1 second, come down for 2 to 3. Good. Keep those knees apart, all the way up, and then come back down. Perfect. Some of you want to put a little pillow between the knees or some kind of little ball and squeeze on that. I really encourage that as well. This is working the posterior chain, which includes the hamstrings. It's behind the leg, your glutes, which is your butt, and the lower back. So really good stuff going on here. Perfect. Nice. Let's keep going. You got 10 total. On that last one, Jim, I want you to hold it up for 3 seconds, okay? So lift up and hold. That's 3, 2, 1, and drop the hips. How are you feeling? Good?
Fine, yeah.
Perfect. All right. I hope you're doing great too. So now we're going to extend one leg out straight. He's going to take his knee to chest, but he's going to put his opposite hand on top of that knee. Opposite hand on top of your knee. Pull it across your body, and I want you to look in the opposite direction. And I'm just giving a little gentle stretch. You're going to feel this all through this area right through here, and hold it right there. If you have sciatica issues, pull the knee up more diagonal towards your chest. You'll feel it more in the butt. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now he's going to put that leg on the ground, and we're going to do this 2 times each leg. So pull this one in, opposite hand, look in my direction, Jim, and then pull that across your body. Good. Just be gentle with yourself. Don't overstretch. Just give it a few seconds. 5 seconds is plenty. And then we'll switch. Let's do it one more time on each side. Oh yeah, if you have back issues, sciatica issues, hip issues, you need to be doing these stretches. You could do this every day. Really good stuff. And you could check out, we have lots of stretch videos on there. So check out Coach Kim's stretch videos for just the lower back if you need that. And hold it right there. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right, so one leg is bent. So bend this knee. We're going to go back to that original leg we worked on in the very first exercise, but this time he's going to turn the inside of the foot so it's facing up towards the ceiling. His leg's remaining straight, and he's going to count 10 reps lifting this leg up, 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 and then come back down. Now this is targeting more the inner thigh. I know you're feeling it. Are you feeling that, Jim?
Yep. Okay,
so 10 reps. Keep that leg straight. Very nice. And another thing, I noticed Jim has good shoes on. It's really important that you're not wearing cheap, cheesy shoes, okay? You need to get good quality shoes. Go to your local store and treat yourself, okay? It's what supports your neck, your back, your knees, your hips. 10 reps, and then we'll switch legs. And perfect. Keep going. You got one more. Okay, now we're going to switch. So he's turning the inside of the foot facing up. Leg is straight. He's going to lift it to the height of the other leg. Yes. Very nice. That's it. Man, Jim's feeling this. He's not used to doing these exercises, and I'd be really interested to see how your hip feels in a week or two of being consistent at least 3 times a week doing these kind of moves right here, followed by the stretches. Stretches is like a nice bonus. And up. Very nice. Now put your feet together. Nope, bend the knees. You're going to put your feet together. You're going to do what's called a butterfly stretch. So look how his feet are facing each other, and his legs are going to go out. He's going to put one hand on the inner thighs, and I personally like to do a little rocking back and forth. Now this is a nice hip opener. You feel that in the groin? Mm-hmm. There you go. And you know we're most flexible between the ages of 5 and 8. Did you know that, Jim? Yep, I know. We all laugh at that. I forgot. And perfect. So bring those legs in. Now we're going to do an exercise called a clamshell. So I'm going to have you, we'll start by facing that way, Jim, if I could turn you here. Yep, he's going to get comfortable with his head on the pillow, so make sure your head's in line with your body. You're going to bend the knees, bend, 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 just like this. So what Jim's going to do, put your hands wherever you're comfortable. He's going to take just his top leg, and he's going to do what's called a clamshell. Keep your feet together, bring up just this knee like this, and then come back down. Got it? 10 of them. Lift up, that's 2. Very nice. 3, and this is targeting all back here. Movement's medicine, motion is lotion. So this is really good stuff for the hips and the glutes. Good stuff. Nice. So we're just doing 1 set of each exercise. Very nice. And I encourage you to work up to doing 2, even 3 rounds of this. All right, Jim, so I'm going to have you turn. We're going to give him your back side. So you're going to turn and face this way. Take your time. He's going to bend, remember bending the knees, stack your feet on top of each other. And he's going to bend those legs just like this. His head's in line with his body. He's going to take his top leg only, lift, and lower down. Good. All the way up. Drop, drop. Lift again. 3. Let those knees touch, and then lift again. 4. And those of you that have a mini band or a flat loop band, and you want to wrap it around the top of your legs, this does make it more challenging. Good. 10 total. Very nice. And once you're done with 10 of these, I'm going to have you on your back for a nice little stretch. Good. On your back for a stretch. I'm kind of flipping them around, but take your time with this. We're not in a hurry. Now he's going to keep one leg bent. Put one foot on top of your opposite. So my left foot, your left foot on top of your right here. Ah, tight hip right here. And just gently push this away. Yep, so just a gentle stretch. Do what you can with this, okay? That's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch up. Okay, put your other foot on top, and you never want to force the stretch, just a gentle stretch. There you go. This side isn't as tight as the other. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Awesome sauce. So, We're going to flip on that side again. I know I got you moving and grooving a lot, but I have you one more time on each side. Okay, stack the legs straight on top of each other. Straight, straight, straight. Now this is called an outer leg lift. So the other one, your leg was bent. This one, your leg is straight. Flex the foot towards you. Lift up just the top leg to my hand right here. Lift and lower. Yes. Now this is called a side lying outer leg lift. 2, his body's in a perfect line. Lift. 3. Very nice. 4. And again, there's no pounding on the knee with these. 5. So we're strengthening all the legs. 6. And he does a lot of forward back motion with his walking. 7. But not the side stuff. 8. So this is really good for you. And 9. One more. 10. Rest. Good. Feeling pretty good?
Yep.
All right, one more flip to the side. We're almost done. Hang in there. So again, we've done 5 exercises, 10 reps each leg. Put your leg straight or each exercise. Flex that top foot. You're going to lift and lower. Here we go. 1, back down, 2, and I'd like you to do 2 rounds when you're ready, 3, and then 3 for those of you that have really been doing this for a few weeks and you're feeling confident all the way up and you know that this is a good fit for you. Straight up to my hand here, Jim. How many is that?
7.
Good. He's a good counter here. 8. Couple more. 9. Good. And one more on your back. We have one more stretch and you're going to love this last stretch. So he's going to get on his back and get comfy. And again, he's limited with his knee and mobility, but I'm going to have you lift both knees up towards your chest. So bend them and bring them up and hug your knees. Yes. So he's going to like this one. So we're going to take his legs and he's going to go in a circle with his knees like this. So it's going to go 3, 2, 1, and then go the other way. Go in to out. 3, 2, 1. Now put your feet together. Knees are bent. Put your feet flat on the ground. Feet close together. He's going to drop his knees gently to the side. Little drop. Try to keep your shoulder blades on the ground. Then we're going to go to the other side. Your lower back will love you for this. I'm going to do 2 on each. There you go. Oh, that's it. Jim, how you feeling? Pretty good?
Yep.
Okay, now separate your feet from each other. Okay, separate them, separate them, separate them. Wider, wider, wider. Now, the advantage of separating those feet is going to be more hip. Okay, so go ahead and drop the knees gently to the side. And then drop again to the other side. Very nice. So remember, it's a drop, not a flop. Side. One more. And to the side. Perfect. So how are you feeling? We've done
Fine.
Good, good. He feels good. So we've only done 1 round, but we did incorporate the stretches, and you like the stretches.
Yep.
Those are really, it's a nice combination to put all these together. So follow this video again if you feel like, hey, I've done 2 or I've done 1 round, I'm feeling pretty good with this. Go ahead and do a second round, and then in a few weeks, 3 or 4 weeks, after really building up that strength for your hip and all the muscles around the knee, shoot for a 3rd round. Let Kim and Jim know how you feel, and let's give them a thumbs up. You keep working out. We're proud of you.